Welcome, welcome, boys. Alright, we're back with the Ram. As you can see where they have the wheel off. Why are we back with this thing after just fixing their brakes, you ask? Look at these rotors. It's freaking blue and damaged. Almost. So, after a very short test drive around the block a couple times, this thing was smoking like a chimney. So it would seem the calipers were seized. So we have new calipers. Since this thing was just recently taken off, I assume this will not be that difficult of a job. But we need to pull the caliper back off, take the banjo bolt off, put a new caliper in, bleed the brakes, both sides. So that's the procedure we're going to do today, and I'll show you how to do it. Since I've already done taken the caliper off to replace the brakes, we know there's a 13mm on the back, and there's two of them, so we're going to take the two 13s off, pull the caliper off, and then we'll see what size banjo bolt we got on here. Finally, son of a bitch! What the fuck is really going on? Jesus Christ, bro. What a bitch. Thank God we got new fucking shims. God, good God, man. Alright. You know, it'd be sick as if it's also a 13mm. It is not, though. 9/16 does fit. Looks like there's one washer there. Didn't give me two washers or only one? I only see one. Okay, there are two. Alright. Make sure this is the right one for this side. Okay, so this hose is going to come up. Boom, go right onto here. This thing is facing this direction. Got that thing going right in there. Well, the bleeder valve's backwards. Bleeder's on that side, which would make sense. This must be for the other side. Let me see. Looks to be about the same. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it goes like this. This is the correct one. So let's get this thing out of here, take our banjo bolt off, and get her done. Yeah, that one's really on there. Okay. 9/16, and then we'll use the impact. Alright, so what we don't want to do is get this all over our new rotors and brakes. Might need a towel or something. Okay, so now it's a race against the clock because it's raining. Now let's see. Does this give me a new banjo bolt? No, it gave me new bolts for the calipers. I will have to reuse this one. So, where did I put my crush washers? There they are. One goes on this end. One goes on this end. Okay, so this went kind of like this. This one went kind of like this. Okay, that should be tight enough, I think. It's hard to... Well, now I can go a little more by hand, so... Alright, that's about as tight as I can get it by hand. Okay, so let's put the pads back on. They should slide right on with these new shims here. Also, I like how it's sunny out, but it's raining. Which is the biggest thing of bullshit I've heard all day. Okay. Okay, that's pretty decent now. Alright, now we got that. Where is my socket? Let's make sure it's as tight as I can get it. Okay. That should be tight enough, I think. Shouldn't have any leaks. Okay, after running inside and grabbing some Allen wrenches, the number 6 is what fits these things. So, apparently when you get the freaking Advanced Auto Parts caliper, you have to use these, can't reuse those. I guess I can save them for a rainy day. Now, this is going to be really fun to try to line up. I can already tell I'm going to really enjoy it. Number 6. What are you? Here's a 5.5 for the 6. 6. Of course, you would take a fucking quarter. Alright. Done. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change your calipers. You should bleed the brakes after that. I'm going to change the other side first off camera, since the other side is going to be the same procedure as this side. And then I will bleed the brakes on my own. I don't think we need to include that in this video. You can see my Crown Vic video for further on that, since on that car I changed the caliper and bled the brakes afterwards. Gravity blade, since I didn't have another person to assist me. So that's it. That's how you change your front brake caliper on your 01 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.